Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be checking out a knife by Sencut. This is their Sencut Serene model. All Sencut knives come with this carrying case, little cleaning cloth. Here we have it. Sencut Serene in the beautiful gray color. This is a button lock knife, full aluminum handles, and it feels really good. Beautiful geometry in the blade. The knife overall looks really good. And they come in multiple colors. They come in gray, red, blue, black. We have reversible pocket clips. It's not as deep as the Sencut Satch. We have it here. Satch, whatever the pronunciation is. But it's still considered a deep carry pocket clip. The metal is made out of a D2, and for the price point, that's a really good metal. We have some beautiful jimping up here, give you better control of the knife, and it just feels good holding it like this. We have a few ways to open it. We could open it using the flipper. Could use your thumb, your finger. Man, the action on this is great. Ceramic bearings, and just listen to that. The first Sencut knife I had was the Saxy, and it sounds good, but it has micarta handles, so it kind of damps the sound. But with this aluminum, with these aluminum handles, it just rings, and it rings good. Man, I could do this all day. This is such a good fidgeting toy. The aluminum looks amazing, honestly. It's like a matte aluminum color, and it just feels really premium. You know, it's like holding a piece of metal. It's really firm, but it's still light. So this is a good everyday carry knife. The blade is nice and thin. Probably going to be a very easy slicing knife. It is G2, so the edge, it doesn't hold the edge as well as other metals. But for the price, I mean, you can't beat it. It's only $46. I mean, I've been carrying this around for a while, and I've been just playing around with it whenever I get bored. This just feels so much better. We have some T8 hardware. The scales are they're not milled out, so they're solid. We also have a hidden lanyard post right there, and look at that, it just drops. I'm telling you, Sencut has been making some really good budget knives. I mean, 45 bucks for both of these, you know, 45 bucks each. And they just feel good. Yeah, check it out. Let's cut some paper. Fresh out of the box. Let's see. Yeah. Nice and sharp, fresh out of the box. Man, I just love this knife. Only had it for a few minutes, but it just looks good. It feels good. We could see a little detail marking down here. Great fidgeting knife. Look at this. Listen to the acoustics. Just snaps. Beautiful. The blade length comes in at 3.48 inches. The overall length comes in at 8.17 inches. When it's closed, comes in at 4.69 inches. So pretty much the handle is 4.69 inches. The weight is 3.43 ounces. So it's a light knife. It's good to carry. Feels good. You barely notice a knife that light. You barely notice that you're carrying. Blade thickness is only 3 millimeters. Handle thickness is 12 millimeters. Overall, a solid knife. I'll leave the link to the knife down below. You could get some more specs on it. Check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.